What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test something very unique I found at Walmart in the camping section. This is a bag of fire. Simple instruction, light it up and ready to go. So let's put it to the test because this is a very new product. I never seen anything like that. Hopefully it's going to work really well and burn a long time. Okay, it says burn cook time for 3 hours. That is insane. That's gotta be very condensed fire logs, and it says 4 pounds of them. Not very heavy. This is nice. Okay, let's open this. Wow, that was pretty easy to open it. That's good. There is instant fire starter, and let's take them out. Oh wow, you have these pieces of logs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're supposed to burn for 3 hours. It's a nice day for the bonfire. I might do just that. I actually seen a lot of that fire starter, and let's open it up and finally put it to the test now that they develop some cool stuff with it. Wow, look at that. Looks like pieces of rock of some sort. Let's see if we can do it with one match. Wow, no way, it's already on fire. 1 match. Simple. That's definitely a good fire starter right here. Will this fire starter catch on these logs? We'll have to find out. It's 8:05 AM. We'll see how long it's going to burn. The fire starter definitely pretty good because it's burning a long time now, and I think some of those cubes are slowly burning as well now. We just have to give it some time to get it going. Probably stack it up a little bit better, not like what I did. Put the fire starter on top, maybe put it on the bottom, then build a little pyramid. And as you can see, those little logs are burning already. Okay guys, it's been 11 minutes and it's burning pretty good. So far so good. I see a little bit of a smoke. They said smokeless, but maybe once it starts getting going after 20 minutes it'll stop smoking, but definitely smoking a lot right now. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes and for the most part it's smokeless. Not bad. Burning a lot, but again kind of a small of a fire, but still definitely perfect for cooking. It looks like charcoal. Now it's really hot and burning really well. Let's keep it going. Let's see what it looks like in an hour and another 30 minutes. Look at that, only 1 hour and 13 minutes and it's already out. Maybe right here is a little bit burning, but for the most part it's more like charcoal now, not so much fire. So maybe they're talking about you're going to have hot coals like charcoal. Oh yeah, it's really hot, that you can cook over for 3 hours, but you will not have actual flames and enjoyable bonfire for 3 hours. That's something to consider. A little bit of a disappointment, misunderstanding on the packaging, but rather than that, pretty cool product. What do you guys think?